Alright guys, pulling up to the tire shop, get some new tires real quick. Alright guys, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, well, we got the car ready, so they're gonna put some new tires on it, just the back ones. And let's see which rims should we get for the next change of the car. They got some nice ass rims in here, man. The ones out there, those silver ones are nice. Sheesh. Let's go, boy. Guys, well, I'm at the tire shop right now. About to get some new tires. The car's already in there, getting new tires. And then after that, we're about to head out to the car meet later today. But after this, we're gonna go walk Buddy. So, and then after that, we're gonna wait until we meet up with the Sheesh'S team and see what we get into. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll catch you guys when we get out of here. Skitty.
A few moments later.
Yo, look what just pulled up. Alright guys, like I said earlier, I met Tyson over here. Like, it was literally random. His car is right there. I believe he works here. But yeah, my tires are almost done. What up guys? We're on our way to go walk Buddy right now. We already got out of the tire shop. Got some fresh tires. I'll show you guys when we get to the spot where I'm gonna go walk Buddy. I didn't get the front ones because the front ones are still good. I just don't want to change them because there's no need to change the front ones, just the back ones, because like you guys remember, me and Diego were doing crazy donuts for no damn reason. Alright guys, well, look at the wheels. They're looking nice and clean. We gotta go wash the car though, you know what I mean? Oh, the back one's got some meat now, boy. All now we gotta do, buddy, is we gotta go wash the car, bro. That's all we gotta do, guys. We gotta go wash the car and pretty much just get ready for the car meet, because I know for a fact this car meet's gonna be fucking fat and crazy, and it's gonna be a lot.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Look at this.
No.
Damn. That's it. Sheesh. Look at that, boy. Those cars are loud, dude. Especially baby GTR, man. That car is stupid loud. Holy shit. Look at that lineup though. Here's the crew right here. Let's go. Holy shit. Which one, bro? Which one? Alright guys, this is the crew for the night, and the cars are looking crazy. There's some crazy cars, man. Damn, look at these. Whew. It's a whole lineup of Mustangs. Look at these, boys. We in Tokyo now. Let's go. Look at this S2000. God damn, look at this. Holy shit. Let's go. Look at this wing, man. Damn. Look at this. Damn. Look at this, bro. God damn, look at this M8, bro. Look at this. Holy shit. She's looking clean. Damn, look at this M3 though. Woo. Wait, look at this. God damn. Just sexy. Man, it's a lot of people for our first meet. That's a lot of people. A lot of people. Holy shit. There's apparently a Lambo. So I don't know. Let's go check out the Lambo and the GTR. Look at the GTR right here. God damn. Look at this though. Look at this GTR though, boys. Look at this McLaren though. God damn. Let's go. Look at this. Whew. Look at this, boys. The meat, it's insane, guys. It's fucking insane. All the people. It's a lot of people here. Look at this caddy though. Damn. Let's go. Damn, look at this caddy though. Man, there's a lot of caddies at this meet tonight. Yo. Yo. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Let's go. Damn, guys, this is fucking insane. Holy shit. Jesus. Alright, guys. God damn. Literally a lot of cops, man. Look at this. Whew. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Damn. But this car beat was insane, guys. This is our first car beat ever. Cops all over the place.